Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Taffy, just like the candy. And today, I did a new business investment. I took a huge leap of faith. I added another bill to my life, but this bill is a liability turned to an asset. I waited about a month. I did a lot of research, and I'm actually sitting in it. I'm going to show you guys the steps on how I bought it right now. Daddy?
Hey.
Mommy?
What's going on, folks?
Okay, you guys.
Happy Sunday.
Yes, but I've been trying to expand my business for some time. I need the van for hauling as well as when I go to the estate sales. But the problem is trying to find something at a decent price.
Keep going up.
Yes, the price keeps going up. Dealers right now want an extra $5,000 on top of the sticker price because they're high commodity because they're not making a Nissan NV200s anymore. So we went to auctions, right, Dad?
Yes.
What we seen at the auctions? Junk, yes.
You ain't gonna find nothing you need.
I'm gonna show y'all a clip from the auction right now. And then we also went to other dealers. What are the going prices?
Average is like between 17, 18 to $20,000. Those are small ones. The cheapest one is a Ford Transit 2013 for $14,000.
How many miles on it?
80,000.
I don't see no price in the window.
No, this one also came in, but looks like 2018 or 19, so it's gonna be about 20.
$20,000? Okay. For a used one, like, come on, yo, I might as well get a brand new one.
How much that one they wanted at the Nissan?
22,000 and something.
Yeah.
And it was brand new. And we couldn't find a decent price, but luckily I'm headed to Redlands, an hour and a half away, to pick up my baby. And guess what? I'm taking y'all with me, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, we made it to Nissan, Metro Nissan. It's in Redlands, California. Oh, it feels good in here.
That's why I said let's go up inside here.
Usually have 150. So everybody's trying to make, you know, at least a little bit more money per unit in order just to suffice and get through August. So MSRP is 25. Whatever the internet price is.
Okay, let me.
Whatever internet price is plus
It
accessories.
said 24, but I was talking to you about matching to the one in LA.
Yeah, and as long as you could show me that,
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
pretty sure my
Okay.
manager.
Okay.
Well, let's take it for a drive first, actually.
Now I want to talk first. I don't think I need to drive it.
I want to make sure it doesn't make any funny noises, because if this is the one you guys are going to take home.
Well, it shouldn't make no funny noise. I'm a mechanic. It make no funny noise.
Yeah, I'm like,
Right now, we want to get the price.
yeah, before I do anything else.
Before we start driving.
I'm starting my life away. I like your nails. Thank you. That's something that you could try. Thank you. In LA. And then 3 initials. So the application, the privacy policy, and then the risk pricing. Yeah. So you're trying to insure, right? Yes. You know, I read my credit today. Today? Yes. There you go.
You got my cell phone right there, okay?
Okay.
Save that. Anything you need,
Okay.
please always feel free to reach out. We had somebody else come in for that same one. So we kind of pulled it into the back.
Thank you. Ooh, it's hot. Okay.
It's very hot out here.
Ooh.
So,
Oh, baby.
so we pulled it out into the back.
Uh-huh.
Just in case, you know, because we knew somebody was coming for an MV, and usually, you know, everybody always wants the not the
different
white
color.
one.
Yeah,
right?
correct.
As a matter of fact, I heard him when I walked in. He was like, "Oh, I saw that silver one." We're like, "Oh, sold already."
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
Of course.
My baby. It's nice. How much did it cost to fill up the tank?
It didn't cost me much. I think at the gas receipt it was like 41 bucks.
Oh, that's not bad. Okay.
Not bad.
So
It's like a 11 gallon,
Uh-huh.
11.2.
Okay, perfect.
So yeah, it was really really cheap. Even got the all-weather mats in there. So
Okay.
that's pretty
Oh,
nice.
perfect. Thank you. Yes.
And you got both your key fobs, a full tank of gas. Left the little window stickers in there too, so
Okay.
you know you could always look at that and say, man, I really got these guys.
Yes. All right. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. You guys drive safe, okay?
Okay, I've made it home. My dog Kingston has approved of the MV200. It's actually a lot of space in here, guys. My plan is to haul things during the week. To pay somebody to haul things during the week while I'm at my primary job. Then on the weekend, use it when I go to estate sales. Or also put it on Turo. I'm thinking about Turo. I'm kind of debating, to be honest. Let me show you guys the outside of the van. So it's 2 doors right here. Door on this side. And it's 2 front seats. Touchscreen radio. And I'm assuming this is the gas right here. I plan on hauling car parts, magazines, medicine, anything that could be hauled, basically. And during the weekends, when I go to different estate sales, yard sales, I want to use this van to transport the items. Because like I said, I tore up my Prius. I damaged it because I like getting larger items. They sell really fast for me. So I needed something like this. So I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Would you guys have taken this leap of faith by purchasing a van for your business? But comment down below, let me know. And if you enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing. I appreciate it, y'all. Until the next time, keep hustling, staying positive. Peace.